Hi there. Welcome to our channel, Mind Travels. Today we're journeying to a city where history, nature, and culture flow together as gracefully as the waters that surround it. We're heading to Yueyang, a jewel nestled on the shores of the magnificent Dongting Lake. Known for centuries as a land of fish and rice, this city is a testament to China's rich heritage and stunning natural beauty. So, grab your virtual passport, and let's explore the wonders of Yueyang together. Our first stop is an icon of Chinese literature and architecture, the Yueyang Tower. Standing proudly as one of the three great towers of Jiangnan, this structure is a masterpiece. As you approach, you're greeted by its grand multi-tiered roof, with yellow glazed tiles that gleam in the sunlight. The intricate woodwork and classic design transport you back through dynasties. But the real magic happens when you climb to the top. The panoramic view is breathtaking. Before you, the vast, shimmering expanse of Dongting Lake stretches to the horizon, a sight that has inspired poets and artists for over 1,000 years. You can almost feel the whispers of history in the wind. From the tower, we naturally turn our gaze to the source of its fame, Dongting Lake. As China's second-largest freshwater lake, its scale is simply immense. The water seems to merge with the sky, creating a serene and powerful landscape. Depending on the season, you might see fishermen casting their nets, or countless migratory birds making this their temporary home. And right in the heart of this aquatic paradise is Zhengchen Island. This small, lush island is like a scene from a classical painting. It's famous for its legendary love stories and, of course, its rare silver needle tea. Jinshan silver needle tea, also known as gold inlaid jade, was created as a tribute to the imperial family in the Tang dynasty. The golden tea leaves, narrow and thin as needles, are wrapped by a layer of white filaments. When the tea is being brewed, tea leaves first float up to the top and then sink to the bottom in a vertical position, as if they were swords standing upward, creating a peculiar phenomenon in the teacup. But Yueyang's allure doesn't stop with its ancient landmarks. For the thrill seekers, there's the Yueyang National Geopark. This place is an adventure waiting to happen, with its dramatic Dangxi landforms and unique rock formations. The highlight for many is walking across the Heohan Tiao, or Brave Men's Bridge, the first all-glass suspension bridge in China. Looking down through the transparent floor to the valley far below is a heart-pounding experience you won't forget. After all that excitement, it's time to dive into Yueyang's vibrant food scene. The city's cuisine is a delicious reflection of its lakeside location. You absolutely have to try the local fish dishes, fresh from Dongting Lake and cooked with a spicy, savory flair that will delight your taste buds. From bustling night markets to traditional restaurants, every meal is a discovery. Yueyang has been inhabited for over 3,000 years. While embracing its rich ancient history, Yueyang has evolved into a modern metropolis of over 5 million citizens. As one of the most populous cities in the province of Hunan, it has grown into a bustling international port city. Hunan is an inland province in central China. Yueyang boasts formidable regional economic strength, rivaled only by Hunan capital city of Changsha. So, what makes Yueyang so special? It's this incredible blend of everything. It's a city where you can stand atop a legendary tower in the morning, sail across a mythic lake in the afternoon, and savor a fantastic local meal in the evening. It is a place where ancient poetry lives on in the landscape and modern life buzzes with energy. Yueyang is more than just a destination. It's an experience that captivates your senses and enriches your soul. It's a story of nature's grandeur and humanity's enduring creativity. We hope this journey has inspired you to add Yueyang to your travel list. It's a city that truly has something for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mind Travels for more videos. Just like this one, where we take you on a journey across a small part of our world in the hope of a big experience. Thanks again, and remember to keep mind traveling.